In today's video, I'm going to teach you best practices for visualizing data in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right chart, keep visuals clean and meaningful, and use built-in tools to tell a compelling data story. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start by defining your purpose and audience. Ask yourself what question you're answering and who needs the insight. A busy executive may want a single clear takeaway, while an analyst might need more detail. Being precise here guides every design choice that follows. Next, choose the right chart type for your data. Use bar or column charts to compare categories, like sales by region. Reach for line charts to show change over time, such as website traffic across a quarter. Keep pie or donut charts for simple proportions of a whole and stick to fewer than 5 categories. When you want to show relationships between two variables, a scatter plot can reveal patterns or correlations at a glance. Keep your visuals simple and clear. Avoid 3D effects, excessive colors, or decorative elements that distract or distort the data. Give every chart a descriptive title, label your axes, and include units where appropriate so viewers don't have to guess. Use colors strategically. Apply consistent colors to matching categories across charts, and reserve brighter accents to highlight key points or exceptions. Choose a color palette that's accessible and colorblind friendly so everyone can interpret your visuals with confidence. Always provide context. A chart should answer, "So what?" by connecting the trend or comparison to an action or decision. Consider including benchmarks, targets, or previous period comparisons so viewers understand performance in context. Design for flow. Arrange charts and tables in a logical order, often following a Z pattern from top left to bottom right. Place the most important insight first, then supporting details. This mirrors how people naturally scan a page and keeps your narrative clear. Leverage Google Sheets features to amplify your message. Use conditional formatting to create heat maps, highlight outliers, or flag metrics that meet criteria with color scales or custom formulas. Add sparkline in a cell to show mini trends without taking up dashboard space. Open the Explore panel in the bottom right corner to get AI-suggested charts and summaries when you need a fast starting point. Build interactive dashboards with pivot tables and slicers so viewers can filter multiple charts at once and explore the data themselves. Finally, use scorecard charts to spotlight a single KPI, optionally comparing it to a previous period to show change over time. Follow these practices, and your Google Sheets visuals will be clear, actionable, and persuasive. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.